you're going to just kind of animate this. Like right now we have this card stacked one below the other. So now we just modify it somewhere like whenever we hover, the cards will come one after the other. Card will come below it like stack, like kind of cool animation. So let's give it a try. So here is my original code, like the code for this one. So the first thing we want to make sure is we just want to get back these into the tailwind, like into inside this one. So let's just so before getting further, so I want to just like we are going to use a kind of group hover. So let's see what a group hover is. So here is the group hover. Group hover is nothing but whenever we hover a parent widget and we want to change the style of or anything in the child widget, then we can use the group hover. So here first thing is for the parent we define the group, and for the child we will use group hover. And this group hover is not enabled for everyone by default. We need to make sure it's enabled for whatever the thing we are changing. So let's get this one first. So first one, let's take the group. So as this is my parent, I will add my group over here, and the next thing, the group over column. So I'm going to use this group over column for this one. And when I cross check, so it doesn't seem to be working correctly, or and I need to reset every position to this one. So now it's working, and the group over is also work correctly. So actually, oh, let me just I did okay. So right now it's not working because, as I said, the group hover required to be enabled. So for so here we are using our group hover for uh, top, left, and bottom, right? So for that, it will come under inside. So in order to extend this, so we need to change this one. So I will just get into Tailwind CSS in the variants extend insert, and here I had group hover. So now I need to just rebuild my CSS. Okay, so now my CSS is rebuilt and I don't need to just do anything. I'll just go and refresh my page, and when I hover, you can see nice kind of animation like one below the other. But if you see, um, the reverse animation is a kind of struck, like it doesn't look at like the first one is going the first and the last one, but instead I want the last one to be the going back into the first. So let's try how we can implement those things. Mm, and before going, we need to add a few things like transform, which is for which enables us the like the changing of the UI, and transition all. I'm just making I'm just telling it like whatever the CSS is, just do animate it. And I have a slight delays for each and everything. For the first one it's 100 and the next one it's 200, like they are delayed like constantly, like from 0 to up it's been delaying currently. So first after first one has been displayed, then the next one like after 10 milliseconds, 100 milliseconds, and after 200 milliseconds, like that. So it's kind of like one after the other animation. It will just okay. Now let's as I said, let's see the reverse animation. Let's make our reverse animation perfect. So now mm, so for that reverse animation to be working, we need our hover to enable for transition delays. So extend, and I just need to rebuild my CSS. Okay, I have built my CSS. Now in order this to work, let's give it a small try. Group over 500 delay and delay 100. Let's see how it will go. So when I hover, it's working correctly, and when I remove it, it also kind of looks good. Let's add the same thing, the reverse kind of delays for everything. So the existing delay will go under group hover, and here there will be reverse delays. So 200, I think I'll go this way, 75, 100, 200, 300, and the last one. So this doesn't have any delay for, but we'll add a delay. 500, and for group over, give a delay of 75. Okay, let's see now. No, something is off. Okay. Now you can see the animation is pretty cool, like it's getting one below the other. Like the last one comes first and then it goes to one by one, right? It's clear, right? So thank you.